You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate anybody that's willing to take the time out of their day to watch my video. It means a lot to me. So leave a comment. Say, hey, I'm watching your video. Let me know what you're doing. Maybe hanging out, maybe vacuuming, maybe cleaning the windows, maybe wrapping presents. I do appreciate it. And if you can, there will be a link in the description area and comment area to more videos. Click that. All right, this is the Oreo milkshake kit. Now, I believe I got this from Five Below. I'm an Oreo fan and got all their little sets. And when I saw this, I said, all right, let's add this to the collection because you get the cup. Now, you don't get, well, let's look. I don't get the straw. I was looking at the packaging, and it's nothing about a straw. Nowhere. It doesn't show it. See, the picture shows you what you get. The cookies, the milkshake, and the cup. And then, well, let's go over it real quick here. All right, so you get 2 Oreo cookies, the vanilla milkshake mix, and the cup. And it also looks like there's little blue sprinkles on there. And nowhere do I see that. But it is, cool. It's a light blue at the top, and it goes to a darker blue, and you got the blue Oreo cup. And then there's all the nutritional facts. And then, let's see. Okay, so you will need, item below, not included in the kit, ice, milk, and whipped cream. It says blend milkshake mix with 1/3 cup of water or milk, 2/3 cup of ice, and 2 Oreo cookies. That's not a lot, 1/3 of a cup. So this is going to make a small milkshake. Pour milkshake into cup, top with whipped cream. Now, they don't tell you to break up the Oreo cookie and put it on top, so I might have to grab some other Oreo cookies. I don't know. What do you think? There's the top of the box. Little snowflakes all over and all these different shades of blue. And, all right, well, I need to get it out of the box, so let's do that next. All right, let's get her out of the box and see what we have. That's what we have. We have a plastic Oreo cup. And inside is the cookie. So it's a little mini pack of Oreo cookies. And then here is the mix. So it's a powder. It's sort of off-white. And it says milkshake mix. And the item, Milk SV45. Ooh, that sounds official. All right, and this is the cup. The cup does look like the one on the box, so that's good. So I guess I need to gather some supplies. Some ice cubes. I'm going to use milk and not water. I don't think I want to make a milkshake with water. And then it doesn't show crushed ice. It shows full ice cubes. So I'm going to do that. It didn't say crushed ice. And then let me grab a mixer, and then we will come in and get started. All right, ready to go. I had to wash this cup and get it ready for the video. It's nice and clean now. I wanted to show you an item that I've already put on video. I don't know when it's going to time with this one here, but the Oreo snowballs. So if you could find these, this is a 4-pack. They're packaged really nice, and they are very tasty. I was really impressed by the overall packaging and taste of those. And then something which I haven't done yet is the Oreo Mini Holiday Adventure chocolate sandwich cookies. It's really just 2 cookies. There's the answers, by the way. Don't look. It's 2 cookies in a box, but I've done so many of these little holiday adventure books, I thought, all right, let's show that on its own video. All right, back to this. I've got the NutriBullet Magic Bullet, which I have never used. This is a family item. They make their smoothies and stuff in this. I was told by Mrs. LPS, just do it this way, and it'll come out great. So turn that upside down. Put everything in here, right? And then go from there. You put it on top, zip it. I've got the whipped cream off to the side. I'm going to save a little bit of Oreo cookie. Let's get these out of the package. Wow. Tough package. Ooh, there's some broken pieces. I got my little bowls off to the side. Let me grab one. Alright, got my little Christmas bowls, which I've used on and off throughout these videos, so I'll save this little chunk of cookie for the little crumbles on the top, and I'll use that. All right, so what did it say? Blend milkshake mix. Okay, let's put that in there. It is the first item on the list, so I'm putting it in. Okay. Okay, milkshake mix. A third of a cup of milk or water, remember? I'm going to use milk. Okay, a third of a cup. Like I said, this is not much, so maybe it's going to whip up. Ooh, a dash more. It may look like it, but the angle says otherwise. Perfect. That, and then 2/3 of a cup of ice. 2/3, all right. I got square cubes just like they showed on the... Couple more. Let's take that double out. Okay, that's good. And then the 2 Oreo cookies. Let's get all that goodness in there. So we're just going to do 1.5. I don't think I need to break this up the way this thing works, but I'll do it anyway. All right, now let's get that on the magic bullet. Oh, let me get the lid on. I say it that way because I'm going to change the camera and move that other thing out. Oh, okay. As you can tell, I don't know how to use the magic bullet. That was funny. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so she said, just put it on, press down, and turn, and it'll spin. Okay. Now, as you can see, I barely know how to get the lid on, but let's hope this works. It should be tight. Put it on, all right, and then push down, and it'll spin. Oh boy! I think that worked. There's still a few ice cubes in there. Ooh, it looks like nice and creamy now. All right, I think that's it. Now pour that into a cup. All right. Yeah, I got it all. Is it a milkshake? No. Does it look great on the cover? Yes, it looks... But that's the whipped cream. I'm thinking, all right, what am I seeing here? Okay. Pour it in. Okay, so it's definitely thin, but not so thin. Is it like a milkshake? I guess it kind of is. And it comes up to about the bottom of the O right there. All right, let's get this on. And I'm not prepared at all. I don't even have a straw or a spoon, so I'm going to get that next. Now I have to make this work its way up like the picture of the box. Look at that. And now let me break up some. And then this is the way she should have shown it. She should have shown it on the box like that. All right, let me grab a spoon and a straw, and we will give it a taste. Okay, so I just happen to have a blue spoon, which we will put that way. And I have one of these super extendy straws. Now, normally it's short, but this one pulls way out. So, I don't know, I thought that'd be fun. I've shown them in videos, but I don't think I ever really showed you how full they bend. Okay, look how tall that is. There we go. There is my milkshake. What do you think? Besides the straw looking too tall, let's cut it. I don't like that look. It doesn't look like the box. There. That's much better. All right, so time to give it a taste. What do you think? I mean, it looks good. Let's take a sip first with my bendy straw. Okay, so it's not like drinking a liquid like milk. It is a little thicker. Is it a kind of milkshake where you have a hard, when you're working at it so hard, your cheeks are, and you're trying to suck it up and you can't. It actually, here, maybe I can extend this out now. And I can stay back here and you can watch it go down. Did you see? It's very tasty. It's Oreo cookie flavor. I like it. I think it's good. I really get these because I like the Oreo product, like the cup. So I've gotten the mug, I've gotten other items, and I add them to my collection. I'll keep the box with the cup. Overall, very nice. And I enjoyed it. It was tasty. It is the Oreo milkshake kit. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Ooh, I'll tell you what, while we're here, let's grab a snowball. If you didn't see this video, go watch that video. Like I said, the packaging is great. I'm going to put a snowball in there. I've been wanting to eat another one, but I had to save it for this video. Plop, plop. Fizz, fizz. Boop. Now I can have a snowball in my milkshake. Now, when I ate it in the video, I cut it open. This one I'm just going to eat the whole thing with the milkshake and the whipped cream. That was a big bite. But just as I remember it. But now I'm going to wash it down with this. That has to be one of the best breakfasts I've ever had. All right. Ooh. That chocolate is very creamy. Look in that description for a playlist to more videos. And then look in the comments section. I'll put a link to a playlist there. And if you don't know it, I do something called LPS Thoughts. And I put different information in there that you won't see in the video. Maybe I corrected something. Maybe I found something later or put information in. I'll go over more detail as to how things tasted sometimes. Because I feel after reviewing the video, I didn't really say that and I should. So go read that. You'll learn more. And thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.